You guys been 20, 21 years in Fortune magazine's top 100 companies to work for. Talk to me a little bit about that.
It kind of starts here. Jack Sr. was our founder. Our mission statement talks about, basically, we're focused on our partners, our employees, because we're employee owned, we're all partners. And the theory is you treat your partners right, your partners will treat your customers right, and you'll build a better business. Once you've been here for 5 years, you get your picture on the wall. So once you're on the wall, you keep moving this way and moving this way. So, every 6 months or so, it's somebody's job to add pictures to the front and move all of these down.
Family recommendations are encouraged because it's kind of the theory that we got these good, solid people. Usually the people that are around are good, solid people.
Right.
So you build your company, good, solid people.
I still consider myself kind of a short timer. I've been here 32 years. When I started at TD, there were 3 people in the IT system, in the IT department. They brought me on as the third. Now there's, 30 of us?
There's a lot.
There's a bunch. I work in the applications group. We manage the ERP system, HR payroll, job cost, all of the bolt-ons, our add-on products.
I'm also known as the other Scott that works in the IT department. I guess the 2 of us are the buck stops here support department. We troubleshoot at a very high level on down to the lowest level to get things up and running and working. And I'm just a proud member of that team for TD Industries. We reevaluated several of our bolt-on companies. And when it came down to it, you guys came to the top as our best opportunity for entering time and tracking what it cost us as far as labor out in the field, whether it be in the construction side or it be in the service-based business side. We're the largest private mechanical contractors and service trucks. We basically build buildings. We use ALMobile to capture all the labor hours out there when it comes to building the buildings. All coming in through your software, transactions into where we're collecting it, and then we're passing it up to our ERP system, which then just helps capture that data for project work and other things for billing, etc. And then it also then rolls up one more layer up to UltiPro, which is a company that carries all of our payroll.
My name's Scott Hesse. I'm a project superintendent, recently promoted as of a couple weeks ago from plumbing and piping foreman. I've been doing this since June 5th of 1998. As far as the time app is concerned, it's been beneficial from the way that time has been done with other companies I've been with, or having to document everything by hand, send emails back and forth. This way it makes it standardized. It helps quite a bit.
Do you find it easy to use? Talk to me a little bit about the use of it itself.
The app is easy to access. It's also easy to navigate. So everything's pretty plain and simple. Look for your partners. You can locate them by employee number, last name. There's multiple ways to access the information. You can access multiple jobs at one time. You can split your time between multiple jobs. For the most part, it's probably one of the easiest apps that we actually deal with. I was able to pick it up very well and quickly, and I don't like electronics at all.
Yeah.
So if it was up to me, I wouldn't have anything to do with them. But I'm one of those guys, I like old blueprints.
Right.
But as far as technology goes, it's definitely been helpful and is very standardized across our company. I mean, it's helped a lot of people out.
The flexibility that y'all have given us to build the integration so that we feed the right projects to the right location, so that a foreman, he just gets what he needs when and where he needs it is brilliant.
I look at it as I work on the NASCAR team. The car rolls in, I got very little time to fix it, but it's gotta be fixed. Payroll is due. It's not an option, it is due. And so we have to capture those hours and then make sure we can deliver those hours to get our people paid. Your product is phenomenal there. When I call somebody gets back to me ASAP. It has been a very good relationship. Thank you for that.